put it?
It's right there.
Well, what's it put it in there for? You know I need that.
Okay, we'll just use it.
Jesus.
Jeez.
Thank you very much. Hide my stuff like that, okay?
Hey, are you guys doing a roller thing now?
What do you mean? What's that?
It's in there too.
Oh, that's in the freaking dishwasher.
No, it's in the fridge.
In the
Look,
fridge?
it's right here. See?
Put it in the fridge for?
Yeah.
You know I need this stuff. Okay, I think we're good.
No, we're not good. I need to get my mouthwash.
Well, what the heck is the mouthwash doing in the fridge? What? Why'd you say, Will?
Oh, this thing is disgusting. What is this?
Oh, is that the varnish we left in the fridge? Yeah.
Oh,
You want to harden it. Here, drink this, quick.
Okay. Ah! Ah!
You'll be okay, Will. Just down this, quick.
Okay.
I'm sure it's not anything more than water and vinegar. Oh! Polyurethane. Ooh.
Oh, no.
Wait, I'll help you.
Yeah, okay.
Come here, boy. Hey, I can never find the edit.
It's right here. Crap. Yeah. Hurry up! I'm gonna die!
I just feel like I need to look at the camera now.
Come on! Don't take it.
Look at that, though.
Come on, hurry up!
Oh, don't waste. That's good enough. Yeah. Oh.
Oh, come on!
You look, you're shaving already, William.
Ah!
No, don't waste. You're wasting. Oh, okay. Yes, I'm kidnapping you. I get it now. Okay, I'm kidnapping you. This is a kid, and he's gonna go to bed, so that's called kidnapping.
I told you one time, told you twice, boy. Don't be messing around.
What do you mean, camera? Where's our camera? Where'd you put the camera? Oh, the whole fridge is moving. I don't see a camera in here.
Shut up!
All I see is paper towels.
Get down!
I must break you.
Stop, you're gonna bust shit. Watch, you're gonna bust shit.
I'm gonna bust you up. Go down, boy. You going down, boy.
Hope you guys like that skit. I did that with my dad. Oh crap, I think we broke it.
Let's do this.
Okay. Hope you guys really like that. It's pretty fun.
Bye, guys. Thanks for coming. See you again.
Come subscribe and like the video.
No, I don't want to do it. Ain't singing for Pepsi.
Am I forgetting something, guys? I forgot. Alright, we'll see you guys later.